Hey everyone! Today we are making a red velvet cookie, so crispy on the outside with a filling of sweet and tangy cream cheese. Without wasting any time, let's start. In a small bowl, mix the cream cheese and sugar. Whisk until it looks and feels smooth, which is about 2 minutes. Drop teaspoons of the cream cheese on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Freeze these spoonfuls till you're ready to assemble the cookies. In another mixing bowl, cream the butter, white sugar, and brown sugar for 3 to 4 minutes using a whisk. For the written recipe of these red velvet cookies, some very important tips and other easy to follow and decadent dessert recipes, visit thecoconutcraze.com, the link to which is provided in the description below. Add in 1 egg, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, and the red food coloring. Whisk. Add the red food coloring 2 drops at a time until the dough has the typical red velvet color. Once these are completely mixed and you're satisfied with the color of the mixture, we'll add in the flour and baking soda. Using a whisk is not wise here. As you can see, I had to switch to a spatula as it's much easier to work with. Once the dough is completely homogeneous, fold in white chocolate chips. For making it easier to assemble our cookies, we are going to keep it in the fridge for about half an hour. To form up, line a baking tray with parchment and brush with butter. Get the cream cheese out of the freezer.
To assemble, take half a tablespoon of cookie dough, flatten into a disc, put some cream cheese in the center, cover with more cookie dough and
top with white chocolate chips. Let's try that one more time. Flatten half a tablespoon of cookie dough into a circle. Put 1 piece of frozen cream cheese in the center. Cover with another half tablespoon of cookie dough. Roll with your hands and seal the cracks. Then top with some white chocolate chips. We're baking these at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 14 minutes until the edges are completely set, but the center is still a bit fudgy and soft. Don't worry, these are going to crisp up after cooling down a bit. Let them sit on the baking tray for 5 more minutes and have a look.
And I'm scared to say just how I feel.
Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos like this one, push that subscribe button and don't you forget the bell icon.
Listen, I might just have to go.